Hey guys, today we're going to be making 3 clear slimes. First one, you're going to need salt and clear shampoo. Mix the shampoo. Add some salt. Add more salt. Put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. For the second one, you will need clear shampoo and alum. Mix the shampoo. Add some alum and do not mix it. Then put it in the freezer for 1 hour. And for the last one, you are going to need warm water, Elmer's glue, and borax. Add borax to your warm water, then stir slowly. Let the water cool off. Then add Elmer's glue. I just been telling with some salt, and it looked like it didn't work, but it kind of came through. For the alum and the Pantelli, see, it worked, but not that much. It's like it formed its shape of slime, but it didn't do it so well. It's very sticky. It's mostly like a goo. This is borax with glue, and this one worked perfectly. Really nice. Oh, can you see that? It's so transparent. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching.